Hey guys, this is Tails, and it is Bloober! Today we're watching Vanna's Gaming, Bat Owl, and a superhero squid. Okay, let's just see, okay? Yeah.
Guys, I can't be Night Owl anymore.
Why?
For trademark reasons.
Trademark?
Because
is that a villain?
Watchmen from DC is gonna sue me if I use Night Owl. So we gotta think of another name, man. Gotta think. We gotta brainstorm.
Al Pacino.
Yes. Al Pacino?
Yes. Oh, you're wearing a different top now.
Yeah, because it's winter, man. Are you cold?
Really? You put on a sweatshirt? Okay, fine, I'm leaving. Never get these emails saying we're gonna change clothes.
This is so hilarious, yeah!
But yes, what should my name be?
I just totally turned around.
I kind of do like Rabbit Raccoon. But
Why rabbit?
Not rabbit. Rabbit.
Oh my god, this is
What's wrong with
hilarious, yeah!
Batcoon?
People think it's racist. If you think it's racist, then that means you're racist.
Remember, I'm Spider-Man.
Oh yeah. I think you're gonna get sued as well.
Yeah.
Okay, look, it's Raby Raccoon.
Raby Raccoon.
Rapey raccoon.
Rapey Rick. Come here, Louie. I got my tongue out and everything. Come on.
I'm pretty sure you're safe with that name because I don't think any company called their character Rapey Raccoon yet.
Bat Owl's here.
Yeah, hey, what about Bat Owl?
Bat Owl. Bat Owl's not too bad, actually. Yeah, you could, there's no Bat Owl. Captain Coon! Oh, no.
You got so excited. Immediately realized it was a terrible name.
Oh my god!
Monkey, we believe it's superhero training right here.
This is like the Matrix. No one makes it on the first try.
You gotta believe, Neo.
I believe I can do this.
You didn't make it.
All right, next.
I don't want to go.
Next.
I don't. They say that superheroes never come back from this training.
Remember, but you're a raccoon. Raccoons can fly.
That's even better.
Oh my god! This is hilarious!
My name is Bat Owl, and I must defend this city.
I'm Mega Monkey.
And I am Batcoon.
And I am Early Bird. So why are you here last?
Why always you last?
Question.
All right, forget that. We have to defend this city, okay?
Yes,
We are the superheroes that this city deserves.
we are the heroes that this city needs.
No. Okay, fine. The city needs us and deserves us. Yeah, take that,
Yeah.
Batman. Tonight, we will fight
Wait,
evil.
what do you say?
Then
We will save. Are you here last?
What you said? Yeah.
good question.
All right, forget that. We have to defend this city, okay?
Yes,
We are the superheroes that this city deserves.
we are the heroes that this city needs.
No. Okay, fine. The city needs us and deserves us. Yeah, take that, Batman. Tonight, we will fight
Oh!
evil.
Even
We will save the innocent.
innocent.
Good, I will
And we will
Get gummy bears.
to the coon can. Here we go.
Batcoon is better than Batman now! Whatever.
All right, here we are. This is it. This is your home, right, Delirious?
Yeah, I live here.
The coon can.
Yes, the coon can. You see this hole right here? This is where you pee. You just stick your penis in there.
Ew.
My head's right by it. Yes. Yes. And you see this light thing right here?
Hey, this is not a MTV Cribs. Come on.
All right. All right, what's your plan?
We have to stop the drug train.
Yes. The drug train. The drug train comes along every couple of minutes.
We have to stop this train.
Oh, there's a train. We're
That's
gonna
our
miss
mission.
Oh my god.
Hooray!
Oh my god.
You went absolutely flying.
They are superheroes.
I got it. Let's go. I'm staying, guys. Hold. Come on. You will stop, drug train. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Drug train. Nothing stops. The drug train wasn't stuffed, guys. Oh,
Delirious is on fire.
You survived, man. You survived.
I survived.
Holy crap.
He died.
We gotta jump on this train.
Yes, let's jump on this train. Let's stop the drug train. Let's stop it.
do it.
I'm going on right now. I'm going on.
I'm on it.
Oh, I just got
I did it. I'm a fucking ninja.
Yes. Are you on?
Yes.
All right, good.
We made it. We made it. All right,
Come on, Brock.
Wait for me.
the front
Get
end
over
guy.
here. Wait for him. Oh my god. Almost got knocked off.
Wait, look at Vanos is gonna get hit off. Look at him.
Oh no, I did!
Is he?
I'm still on. No, I fell off. Get up. Hurry. Get up. Jump. Yes, I'm on. I'm back on.
He's back on, yeah.
I'm wait for me, guys.
Come on, Raby Coon.
Look at him, he's so determined.
What's your name again?
Bat Owl.
No, you're not. That's good.
Bell, really delirious.
Come on, hurry up.
I fell off.
I got it. Get in the damn car. We can't let Mecha Monkey get all the glory. Come on. All right. I could have picked a faster car.
I know. What the hell, man?
All right. Jump out.
Go.
Go. All right, they're orange. Wait,
Ready. Go. No! Yes, I got him. Yes, sir.
Good job.
Wait,
Okay, I got this.
Birdman, or whatever your
Birdman.
Bad Owl.
Our name's Delirious. I can't remember you guys. You can't even remember your own name. What's your name, Delirious? Bad Owl.
All right.
Okay.
I'm fine.
Give me a hit.
All right. Are we ready?
I'm ready. 3, 2, 1. Stop the train.
Boom!
What?
Yeah.
Is this train not stop? Is this fucking train not stop? What the hell's wrong with that train?
We really can't stop the train anymore.
I really don't know, but I'm gonna stay in the front. Someone needs to make the ultimate sacrifice.
Okay.
I fell off. Ah!
No. Don't fall off.
Well, did we fail that mission, guys?
We fucking failed. Apparently, the drugs are going to be released across Los Santos.
We respectfully let the train go.
The train was no match for us, and we felt bad for it.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. So now our next mission is we got to stop the drug dealers on top of one of these damn mountains. They're somewhere around here.
Oh boy. Oh shit.
Oh my god.
Pull up.
Put the landing gear away, we're stalling.
Oh yeah. Here we go.
We're gonna land.
Right there it is.
Oh my god.
Right in their compound. We're gonna land right in the
No,
compound.
we're not. We're gonna fucking smash this mountain.
I'm gonna search around.
Oh,
We're
boy.
gonna land right in the compound.
Kong Pow.
I want some Kong Pao
Hello.
chicken.
Okay.
It's okay.
Shut up, Tails.
Okay.
Oh, that was so cool.
Light bulb.
Shit. All right, I gotta get it straight. If I get it
Okay.
straight away, I can land. I promise you guys, I can land.
Are you sure you got this? You sure you got this,
I got
raccoon?
my raccoon license. Okay. Oh look at where the hell's the compound?
It's up there.
To the left.
Oh.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Damn it.
Fucking work,
You have
man.
to jump off right here.
Fucking work. I'm
Here we go.
I'm doing it.
Here we go.
I'm doing it.
We're going in.
Oh, you guys did it, you bastards!
Yeah, I'm getting shot.
Louis, help! Help! I'm falling!
Stoners! You're gonna die, stoner!
Here we go. Ah!
The crooked cops are coming. Crooked cops are
Don't
coming.
shoot.
The copyrights are coming. We have taken out the legal stoners. They have been stopped.
This is their drug machine, guys.
Oh, let me test it out.
Don't get too close. Who the fuck's this guy, Delirious? Who the hell is this guy?
Ooh!
It's like a new superhero. He wants to join the team. Don't kill him.
I'm not. Oh
Shit.
He got scared by the cops.
Oh, there we go. Yes.
Whoa.
Fight back. Oh.
Yes.
Come on.
Get him, fight.
Yes.
Kick his ass.
Wait,
No,
don't fight
shoot
us.
me.
Don't fight us.
We're friendly.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Fight him!
Yeah, his points are here. His points. No!
Oh God, you guys are all dead. I gotta go. I gotta go. Oh shit. I am out of here.
Out of here.
Fuck.
Watch out, guys. He pulled his gun out.
Hey, where do you think you're going?
These are the last gangsters.
Huh? You wanna go? Let's go, man. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, fight me. Fight me.
Come on. I don't think he wants to fight.
Spotlight tongue. Spotlight.
Oh, what the shit? That's not fair. I went Muhammad Ali on his ass.
I was watching Gotham, right? So Bruce is a little kid in it.
Yeah.
He said that his favorite animal was an owl.
Really?
Yeah. That was funny.
I knew it. See, I inspired Batman. I made him.
True story. So his favorite animal is an owl.
That's okay. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was funny. So, bye and enjoy the video. Yeah!